Hello kids, welcome back to MG Colors. Today we are going to color the alphabets. Before that, let's see the colors, kids. This is golden color. This one is pink color. Pink. This is red color, kids. Next, silver color. This is green color. This one is sky blue. Let's see these colors. This is red, green, violet, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color. This is letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Next, B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cow. C. D. D for donkey. D for dolphin. Letter D. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. This is E. F. F for fox. F for fox. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K. K for kite. K for kite. K. L. L for lion. L for lemon. M. M for mango. M for mosquito. M. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay kids, do subscribe to MG Colors. Bye.